Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 3. That means if you're born on the 3rd, the 12th, 21st or 30th of any month, this is the reading for the month of March for you guys. Don't forget to check your career readings, career and finance reading based on your zodiac later, when I upload them. So let's start. Number 3 people. Expect powerful change. Something is changing, something new is going to happen. You are going to be starting something new because this is the new moon eclipse. New moon is all about sowing seeds for things that can grow. So if you have dreams, if you have wishes, March is going to be the perfect time to kind of focus on them, to manifest them and to work on them. From Whispers of Lord Ganesha, the card that I have for you guys is Capacity to Love. So, see, manifestation only works when you love, when you fall in love with your wish, when you are absolutely, crazy about your wish, but at the same time, you understand that there are certain aspects where you have to let go in the process of manifestation. So, number 3, people, your power of manifestation is going to be at its peak. The only thing you have to realize is that universe is going to give you a lot of signals, a lot of signs in different ways, and you have to keep yourself open to actually see them. Let's see from tarot, what do we have as the theme for the month of March? The Hierophant. Number 5. So, a lot of change again. Number 5 is the number of change. A lot of changes are going to happen. And for a lot of you, I think they are going to be, you can expect, some kind of changes to happen at, if you're studying, then at school. If you're in a university, if you're doing a course, you can expect changes, in that, or, in regards to whatever you are learning. I think you are going to be at a different career after it. So that's what I'm seeing. If you are working in corporate sector, in your career, you can also expect to see changes in your workplace. So some kind of change in terms of the structure, in terms of authority, in terms of dealing with your bosses. So something is going to change. For some of you, I can also see some kind of promotion. It might not be promotion in terms of a monetary benefit, but people will start looking at you as somebody who has more knowledge, who's more learned than them. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Lovers card. So even in your love life, you can actually expect some kind of changes, because the Lovers card has shown up. That means either you are going to fall in love or meet somebody that you're meant to meet, or with the Hierophant especially, you're going to fall in love with your work. So take it the way it resonates. So these are the two things that are going to happen. Either love life is going to be amazing, or career is going to be amazing. For the few very special ones, both of them are going to go really well. Let's see what else tarot holds for you for the month of March. So the first card I have for you is the Temperance. So Temperance says, because a lot of changes are coming, a lot of new things are going to happen, what you have to focus on is balance. Make sure you're giving yourself time. Make sure, you are resting. Make sure, you have everything going on well. So, you have the gold picture here, you have the silver picture here, and both of them are representing that you have to balance the energies within yourself. You cannot be focused on one thing and ignore the other. The situation requires you to have balance, to have hopeful thinking. And Ace of Wheels. So this is another card which is telling me promotion is possible. uh, Starting a new project which is going to improve your status in your workplace, that is also possible. So a lot of new things are coming, and it looks like the cards are really amazing so far. Let's see. See, you guys, you're definitely going to make a move. You're going to start something new, like 100%. You can't stop it. And within the next 3 months, 3 to 4 months, you are actually going to see, all the efforts that you are making right now, you're going to get the benefits in 3 to 6 months from now. There's a possibility a lot of you might have to go out of your office to meet new people, because I'm seeing, that you are taking steps to, meet people. You are taking steps to kind of, get out of your comfort zone, because your focus is going to be on you. You are your focus. And then I have the justice card. So justice card tells me that, if you have worked hard in the past, if you have given, your 100%, justice is going to be served. So if you're waiting for a promotion, if you're waiting for a hike, it is going to happen. It's not for all, so take it how it resonates, because for a lot of people, if you usually receive your promotions or increments in the month of March, then I definitely see it happening. So, for others, if you receive it in some other month, kind of wait for the reading to that respective month to see, how things are going to improve. Next card is the strength card. So strength card, coming up here is that because you're starting something new, the situation is changing, and the first card that told us was that, expect powerful change. You need to have the strength, you need to have patience, you need to understand that, universe is working behind your back, but it's going to take time for your manifestation to become real. So it doesn't mean, because it's not happening within 2 days, within a week, within 15 days, you give up. You don't have to give up. See, the last card that I have for you is the star, which tells me if you manifest something this month, the universe is going to give it to you. The angels are watching. You are being supported by the universe. There is nothing that is going to stop you this month. You are going to be unstoppable, and the universe is going to go out of its way to give you the wish that you are looking for. The only advice is think carefully before you ask what you want. Be very careful in terms of asking what you want, and everything else will work out. A lot of you guys are going to be overwhelmed at work because the devil card has showed up. So a lot of work is going to happen. Make sure you're ready for it, and don't forget to check back for your career reading. And I'll see you guys next month.